Begin extruding to remove any old dough that is stuck in the die and discard the first couple of cuts, as the surface texture will be too rough. After the die warms up slightly, the surface texture will be fine and even throughout the pasta. That is the sign of properly extruded pasta. I cut the spaghetti at about 16 inches long, but you can adjust to your preference. You can see the texture here. It is rough but fine and even. If it is too rough, the pasta won't hold together well during cooking, as it will be too brittle. There you have it, fresh extruded spaghetti. And there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, definitely write them down below, and I'd love to see your progress in the pasta community page.